From Television Park, this is WJBF News Channel 6 at 11.
Good evening, I'm DEIRNESA Jefferson. Thanks for joining us. New at 11, Richmond County Sheriff deputies say a pedestrian was hit and killed on Deans Bridge Road. The coroner says 70-year-old Minnie Atwell was hit by a vehicle traveling south on the 3300 block of Deans Bridge Road around 6 o'clock. The race for a coronavirus vaccine could be coming to an end. That's as officials prepare to ship out the first round of Pfizer's coronavirus vaccines tomorrow. That means people could be getting vaccinated as early as Monday. Ty Hernandez is in New York with the latest.
The FDA issuing an emergency use authorization for Pfizer's COVID vaccine for people 16 and over, saying the vaccine's known and potential benefits clearly outweigh its known and potential risks.
This vaccine met the FDA's rigorous standards for quality, safety, and efficacy. Science and data guided the FDA's decision.
HHS Secretary Alex Azar and General Gus Perna monitoring distribution efforts from the Operation Warp Speed Vaccine Operations Center.
My guidance was to ensure this precious commodity is received by the trained professionals at each state. I expect the first shipments to arrive Monday morning.
Hospitals say they've been preparing for this day.
We've actually been practicing because there are some special handling requirements for this vaccine. So we have everything scheduled in detail and we're ready to go.
Healthcare workers will be among the first to receive the vaccine.
I'm excited. The team is excited. We're ready. We're signed up. We have our scheduled date. Let's do this.
Pfizer's clinical trials have shown the vaccine to be 95% effective with no severe side effects. But there is concern after 2 healthcare workers in the UK had serious allergic reactions after taking the vaccine. Both have a history of severe allergies. Dr. Anthony Fauci says this should not deter Americans from getting vaccinated.
You stay alert for it and you keep a situation so that if it happens again, that people are in a facility that can take care of them.
A vaccine can't come soon enough as the country continues to see a growing number of cases of the virus. California breaking records in daily cases, total hospitalizations, and deaths. The San Joaquin Valley reporting 0% available ICU capacity. And New York City once again halting indoor service at bars and restaurants on Monday amid a troubling surge in coronavirus infections. Ty Hernandez, ABC News, New York.
Now let's take a look at the cases here in the 2-state. South Carolina is reporting more than 200,000 positive cases with more than 4,000 deaths. Georgia's reporting more than 400,000 cases with more than 9,000 related deaths. For a county-by-county breakdown, go to our website at WJBF.com. Senator Tom Davis pre-filed his medical cannabis bill earlier this week. He's been trying to legalize it in the state since 2014. He says his bill is the most conservative in the country and limits how the cannabis is consumed. No one would be allowed to smoke it. The bill would also create an advisory board that would update the list of debilitating conditions people can get cannabis for.
The people want it. I mean, I can't think of any other issue in South Carolina where 75% of Republicans and Democrats agree on something.
The state attorney general and SLED say they did not want to comment on Davis's new legislation without reviewing it.
Well, some of those showers have started up in the north of the CSRA, out by the lake, specifically on their way to Saluda. They're breaking apart, nothing too dramatic as of yet, but we will end up seeing a sharp rise in these showers as we head later tonight, most likely at around 12 and later. 2 o'clock in the morning is when we're expected to see our showers in Augusta. Taking a beautiful look of downtown Augusta thanks to our Jiffy Lube sky cam. We do have some more of those clouds out there right now. They're all shuffling on in from that cold front that's finally making its way into the area, and all behind it, drier, cooler air. We are going to be seeing a great set what's coming up later on in the week. It's not going to be too chilly. Right now, we are going to be seeing more of those clouds. Some sensors not picking up, but I'll have more coming up in the full forecast. Back to you, DEIRNESA.
Thanks, Ryan. With the official start of winter just more than a week away, an Aiken County middle school student is making sure that every student can stay warm. News Channel 6's Kim Vickers reports.
Noah Cato just celebrated his 12th birthday. Instead of video games or